Kids, so today we're going to review properties of matter. Matter has different properties: flexibility, resistance, hardness, and conductivity. Today we're going to review some examples of these properties. Let's start. Matter can be flexible, like this rubber band, which means that it can bend without breaking. Or it can be rigid, like this glass. Flexibility is a property of matter that can have objects be flexible, like this rubber band, or rigid, like this glass. The next property is resistance. An object can be resistant, like this fork, or it can be fragile, like this dish. If an object is resistant, that means that it is difficult to break. If it is fragile, like this dish, it's easy to break. Next, we have hardness. An object can be hard, like this table, or it can be soft, like this t-shirt. So far, we've discussed flexibility, resistance, hardness, and now we're going to talk about conductivity. Conductivity is a matter's ability to transport electricity, like this frying pan. Frying pans are conductors because they conduct electricity. If an object isn't a conductor, like this frying pan, that means that it's an insulator. Insulators stop the transport of electricity, like this charger. It's covered by rubber, so we can use it without being burnt. Rubber is an insulator. Now let's take a look at my notebook. This is my journal. Do you think that this notebook is flexible or rigid? Remember, it's a notebook. Let's see. It's flexible because it can bend without breaking. What about resistant or fragile? Remember, we said that items that are resistant are difficult to break. Let's see. Let's open it up. This doesn't seem very resistant to me. It ripped super easily. Now, is this notebook hard or is it soft? Soft, right? Yes, it's very soft. And do you think that this notebook can conduct heat? No, this notebook can't conduct heat. Very good. Let's talk about types of matter. Matter can be a pure substance or a mixture. If it's a pure substance, this means it's only made of one component. Like water. Water is a pure substance and we can't see its components. Salt is another pure substance because it's only made of one component and we can't see it. But what happens if I take this water and mix it with this salt? Is this still a pure substance? No, right? Water is a pure substance. Salt is a pure substance, but when you mix water and salt, it's now a mixture. We've mixed two things together, the water and the salt, so this becomes a mixture. Can you see the water and the salt? Can you see it inside? A little. No, you can't, because water and salt mixed together is a homogeneous mixture. We have a lot of different homogeneous mixtures in my house. For example, this chocolate bar is an example of a homogeneous mixture. Why? Because it's made of a lot of different things. Milk, grain, sugar, but can we see it? No. When we eat the chocolate, the only thing we see is this one chocolate bar. So this makes it a homogeneous mixture because different things are inside, but we can't see it. Now, we do have heterogeneous mixtures. Let's take a look in my refrigerator and see what we have. This salad is an example of a heterogeneous mixture because it has lettuce, it's got cheese. I don't know if you all can see, but there's cheese inside of here and chicken too. So that makes it heterogeneous because there are different things inside of this mixture. You see the chicken and the lettuce, and then these are called croutons. What about these pizzas? Do you think these pizzas are heterogeneous or homogeneous? Remember, with heterogeneous mixtures, we can see the different ingredients, the different components of the pizza. Heterogeneous, right? Because we see this one has pepperoni, this one has olives, tomatoes, a lot of different components that we can see. What about tomato sauce? Do you think tomato sauce is heterogeneous or homogeneous? Homogeneous, right? Because tomato sauce is made of different things. It's a mixture, but we can't see those components. Good job, guys. What about paella? Is this heterogeneous or homogeneous? Take a look. We have rice. This one even has lemons, shrimp. Paella is a heterogeneous mixture. Great job. Because it's made of different components that we can see. Last one, guys. My favorite. This is a strawberry milkshake. Do you think this is heterogeneous or homogeneous? Homogeneous, right? Because inside of a strawberry milkshake, there's milk. Some people may even put whipped cream on top. But the strawberry milkshake itself looks one way. We can't see the different components that are inside. We can't see the milk. We can't see the strawberry. So it is homogeneous. Excellent job, guys.